Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can buy DEGEN token on your MetaMask wallet. So first of all, DEGEN token is on Uniswap and you need to use Uniswap, especially with MetaMask. So first of all, instead of going here and buying on MetaMask, you want to go ahead and go to Uniswap application, and from here you want to connect your MetaMask wallet. So you click connect and choose MetaMask. Now you have connected your MetaMask wallet. You will see at the address, part of the address here, and you want to go ahead and switch to the Base network because DEGEN token is on Base, just like so. Now, if you already have Ethereum on MetaMask, that's great. You can go ahead and use it, or you can also buy WETH because it is used for your DEGEN token, as you can see. Now, if you don't have it on your MetaMask wallet, you can go ahead and buy it. And on MetaMask, you also need to be on your Base mainnet, and you can go ahead and buy Ethereum here. And for example, buying it with your debit or credit card, or you can also go ahead and send it from, for example, your Binance if you already have it on any other exchange other than MetaMask. Now, once you will have Ethereum or WETH, you want to go ahead and select the token. So the token is DEGEN. You want to go ahead and search for it on your Base network, and this is the token you are looking for. Now you're gonna go ahead and write down how much you want to buy of the DEGEN and how much you want to sell of your ETH, and that's how much you will get. After that you're gonna click swap, and you will see your DEGEN token on MetaMask. Now, if you will not see it right there, your DEGEN token, you want to click import tokens and search for a token, DEGEN. You want to click on it, click next, and import it. And after this, you will see it here. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye.